time to install my mountain hatch tailgate cover. And get this bad boy open. If you haven't checked them out, time to get a mountain hatch. All right, check out the stickers and the patches I got too. I do like some stickers and a patch. Very cool. So if you haven't already checked them out, go check them out. They're online, they're on Instagram, they're on other social media. What this is a food grade plastic cover for drop down tailgate, and they make them for a variety of vehicles, so go check them out. So I'm going to see what it takes to get this bad boy installed, and I'll come back. Alright, so it looks like it's pretty simple. All I need to do is pop off this little particle board piece that really should be covered with carpet. Never had carpet since I've owned it. Then you just use these little plastic rivets to hold the plastic on. So see how it goes. Going to need a good cleaning, and I need to pop out these other rivets that didn't come. I always like to make sure that I'm only using a tool that's just big enough for the job. You don't need to overdo it whenever you're pulling out a plastic rivet. Alright, so this is what the tailgate looks like with that particle board off. And I'm just cleaning it up with some Windex. There are people who make some storage options for this space because, I mean, it's just a hollow container, and you could, potentially put some, tools or something in there, some storage. And thought about that a couple times, but I don't need anything else that could rattle. I've got enough rattles already on this thing. Got the roof rack, which is firmly affixed to the roof, I promise you, but it still rattles. Then I got the spare tire carrier on the back of the vehicle, and I got the water container, and then I've got lots of stuff in here. It's got 412,000 miles, so I don't leave the house with a lot of tools. All of that tends to rattle. I don't need an extra rattle. So I'm going to clean this up a little better with some soap and water like I'm washing the car, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, almost done. This is going to be painless. Just a matter of lining up the holes and starting the rivets. So one of the things when you're using rivets like this, in my experience, is they don't always come back out very easily, and you could do some damage. So I'm just going to start one right there, and I'm going to put one over here, like this top corner, and I'm going to work around like that. I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but that's the way I'm going to do it. Just because once they're in, I want them to be able to stay in. Now I've got those sides in, I should just be able to go right down the top and bottom of it. And it looks like I did drop another one of those rivets somewhere, so I got to find where that thing went. Okay, so I found the last little rivet. It was underneath my tailgate, so there we go. So I just want to make sure they're all as tightly in as I can get it. Now these guys must be Bon Jovi fans. Alright, so again, it is food grade plastic. You can prepare food right on here. It is heat resistant to a point. When I asked them about it, like how hot, they said be reasonable. So obviously I'm not going to set one of my Dutch ovens on here and after it came directly off the fire. But I could probably do that on top of a leather glove or a pot holder or something like that. A couple cup holders. These are the people that made it. So check them out. Let's see how good it stays in. I love it already. Something else I want to point out is this thing was already imperfect. Don't think you're going to receive one that's like this. I got this from them on a scratch and dent deal that I made with them, they made with me, and yours will not look like that. That's just the way mine looks. And honestly, I was cool with it because I'm going to get some scratches on this thing pretty quick, like just using it, so I am not concerned about it. So, food grade plastic, clean it up with the same kind of soap and water or cleaner that you would use in your kitchen to clean your cutting boards. That's what I'm going to do mine with. And I'm planning on cooking something in the woods very soon and using this to do all my prep work. So, very cool. Mountain Hatch, check them out.